Hello all, good evening, and I thought of doing another video today just as a bonus video on a Sunday, just to take you guys through something which has been on my mind for quite some time now. So this is about my motorcycle carry. So this is basically what I carry with me on shorter as well as longer trips, something which I carry both on my breakfast rides and as well as whenever we go on any longer tours or trips. So these are a few things which have been quite helping me in terms of either giving a bit of peace of mind that if I ever need access to anything or if I ever run into trouble, these will always come in handy. Now, of course, this kit or this sort of a hamper is missing a couple of things which I will add in due course, and I'll talk about that as well. But let me start taking you through one by one the items which I actually carry with me on my motorcycle. So first off is this kit. So this is a small wallet which I bought in Decathlon, and I have a few things inside it for easy reach and accessibility. So if I open the front zip, I have this Nivea lip balm for dry lips. This is the RAM mount lock which I generally use on whenever I lock my RAM mobile mount to the bar. So this is that. Now this is one of the most useful things which I've had for a long time. This is the Leatherman multi-tool. So it's got all sorts of useful things to help you either on the road or if you are somewhere else. So let me show you a few things what's here. So this is this can be used as a screwdriver or something to cut with, and it's also got a bottle opener as well. This one is again can be used as a Phillips head screwdriver to work on the screws. It's in fact even got a little scissors as well, so if you need to cut anything small, can use this. So let me fold that back. And on this side there's a full-fledged little knife that can be used for anything to cut with, and this is some sort of a nail file, so you can use this to soften your nails or something. And this side can also be used for something like a screwdriver, like a big head screwdriver or something. And if you open this up, there is actually a pair of pliers which always comes in very handy. So this is a multi-tool. I always have one of these on me, either in the bike pack or in my office bag, whatever. Very useful to have. Oops, the tripod fell off. Okay, if I open this one here, I have this USB-C to the normal USB converter, which I usually use on my Honda Highness CB350 to plug the USB charger in. Any normal USB cable goes here. Quite handy. Again, something which I bought on Amazon Basics. This is my Vicks inhaler for blocked nose. Now this is a retractable USB charging cable, so that I can only extend the length which I want, so that there is no free sort of cable flapping around in the wind. So this is specifically for the iPhone, as you can see, but the same thing is available for USB type C as well as the normal USB, I'm sure. So this is one useful thing. And let's see what's in the last zipper. Okay, so this is the normal helmet communicator which I use. So this is now fully charged. I've just kept it here, and there is some sort of a lanyard which was lying around somewhere. I just kept it in the bag. So that is on that. Now next, I have this clip on the other side of which I can mount a GoPro camera, and I can put this clip pretty much anywhere and make the camera point at me or away from me, whichever. So this is something which I keep in my kit bag as well. Next, this is my main wallet which contains my GoPro cameras. So if I open this, you will actually see the GoPro camera which I use along with the Ulanzi case, and this is my helmet chin mount which actually goes into my helmet like that, like this, and the camera goes here and points away from me. So that's that, and I have got a couple of spare batteries here in this little handkerchief which I've kept. So that's that. Now the next ones are quite useful to have lying around, and these are rock straps. So think of these as the better alternatives to the bungee cords that you have lying around. So let me quickly show you one of them. So this is what it looks like. One end of it has a loop here, so you can tie one end to any of the bike anchor points like this, right? And the where is the other end? The other end also has a loop, and you can put this and tie it to a bike anchor point. And once you have both sides on the opposite side of the bike, you just bolt it shut like this and pull at this so that it becomes really tight. And trust me, once this tightens, your luggage is not going anywhere. It's super high quality. It's made in the US, a bit expensive for what it is, but totally worth it. So this is a pair of rock straps I have, actually two of them. I've used them before in multiple occasions, and they are amazing. What's next? So next is my usual sunglasses. This is just a generic thing, and this is my Ray-Ban sunglasses with prescription sunshades. So this is something I have on me all the time. And this is a generic Decathlon backpack, which is a collapsible backpack. It actually, when it's expanded, it looks exactly like this. I'm not going to expand it and show you now, but this is so small, I just keep it inside. And whenever we are outside somewhere and I just need a small bag to take with me somewhere within a city, I just expand it to full size, put a few things in, and wear it on my back. So very useful thing to have. And this is another option to the rock straps which I showed you. So this is another company called Acro. Again, similar concept. You have one loop which goes on one side of the bike, into which you can put this, and on the opposite side you have another loop. So both sides go, and it literally goes here. So to loosen something, you just have to press it and drag it here, and once you want to tie some luggage, you just press this and ratchet it up, and trust me, this is again super strong. It's not going anywhere. This is again imported super strong nylon. That's what this is. So again, a very useful thing to have, especially for luggage. So let me get that out of the way. And a wad of cotton, which you can get in any pharmacy. This, as I've said before, is to stuff it in my ears to cut down any sort of highway noise, or basically to make things quieter inside my helmet. And of course, needless to say, if there is any injury or something, serves as first aid as well. And there's a couple of things missing. Okay, I think I missed one very critical thing. Yeah, so this is one of the most utilitarian things which I have. So this is just basically a roll of Velcro, you can see. So I bought this in Amazon. It has served me amazingly well in all sorts of applications. So for example, whenever I want to tie something, I just take a bit of velcro, cut it off and use this to tie things with. So when I want to untie it, I just have to break the velcro and use it, so it's reusable again and again. Very very handy thing to have for all sorts of things. Your imagination is the limit to use this. So that's that. And finally, I am searching for another thing which is probably somewhere else. So that is a pair of motorcycle earplugs. So it's called the No Noise. I think I may have shown it in other videos of mine. So that's another thing which is usually in my pack. And how do I carry this? I generally have this this bag in which all these things go, and I just tighten this up. So this one, if I'm usually carrying my top box, I just take the whole thing and put it in my top box. Or if I don't feel like it and I'm using this tank bag, for instance, this Via Terra tank bag, I just put everything inside this tank bag and close it. So that's how I carry the whole thing around. So that's been it. I thought I'll make a video about something that a few of you might find some use in. And let me know in the comments, do you have a similar kit of your own? What do you carry that I don't? What would you recommend that I carry, that I add to my collection? And whether you actually think any of these are probably not really worth carrying. Let me know. I'll think about it and I'll optimize my motorcycle carry. So that's been it. Good night, stay safe, and see you back on the channel soon. Bye.